In this video, we listed the 5 best foldable phones on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 Smartphone. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 comes in different versions including F711N, Korean, F711U1, US, and F711B, Global, each with its own specifications and features. The F711N Korean version has 8GB RAM, 256GB ROM, and Russian language support but lacks Samsung Pay and certain language options. The F711U1 US version features 8GB RAM, 128, 256GB ROM, Samsung Pay support, but lacks certain language options. The F711B Global version offers similar features to the US version but includes support for all languages and Samsung Pay. The phone boasts a 6.7-inch AMOLED folded screen, Snapdragon 888 processor, dual rear cameras, 12 MP, and a front camera, 10 MP. It supports 5G connectivity and runs on Android OS. The device has a 3300 mAh battery with wireless charging and fast charging capabilities. The package includes the phone, an ejection pin, and a data cable. With a variety of features and configurations, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 caters to diverse preferences and needs. Number 2. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 5G features a 7-inch folded screen with a resolution of 2560 by 1440 and a fast refresh rate of 120 Hz. It boasts a triple rear camera setup with 12 MP and dual front cameras with 10 MP. The device is powered by a 4400 mAh non-detachable battery supporting wireless and quick charging. It comes with a Type-C charging interface, lacks a 3.5mm headphone port, and has dual SIM support. Operating on Android, it offers 3G, 2G, 4G, and 5G connectivity along with NFC, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi capabilities. The phone includes built-in GPS and fingerprint recognition, with language support for English, German, French, Spanish, Portuguese, Italian, Korean, and Japanese. The device's design features a flip foldable form factor, targeting users seeking the latest technology with cutting-edge features. Number 3. Huawei Mate X3. The Huawei Mate X3 is a cutting-edge smartphone with impressive specifications. Featuring a 7.85-inch OLED display with a resolution of 2224 by 2496 and a high refresh rate of 120 Hz, this phone offers a top-notch viewing experience. The device boasts a unique folded screen design and is equipped with a total of 3 rear cameras, 50 MP, 13 MP, 8 MP, and a front camera of 8 MP for capturing stunning images. With a powerful 5060 mAh battery supporting wireless charging and super-fast 65W charging, the Mate X3 ensures long-lasting use. Running on Harmony OS, this phone supports various connectivity options including 3G, 2G, 4G, NFC, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi. With IP68, IP69K resistance, biometric features like fingerprint and face recognition, and other advanced functionalities like optical stabilization, the Huawei Mate X3 offers a premium user experience. Number 4. Royole Flex Pi 2. The Royole Flex Pi 2 is a smart foldable device equipped with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage capacity, supporting English language and 5G connectivity. This innovative product features a folding touch panel, providing users with a versatile and portable solution for their digital needs. The Flex Pi 2 offers a unique blend of cutting-edge technology and user-friendly design, making it ideal for individuals seeking a flexible and advanced mobile experience. The Royole Flex Pi 2 is a foldable smartphone that supports both English and Chinese languages but does not support the Google Play Store. However, it does support applications like Google Chrome, Facebook, and Instagram. Users can download apps through apkpure.com since it lacks Google Play Store support. The model number is Royole Flex Pi 2, originating from mainland China, and it is a touch-screen smartphone. Number 5. Wisecoco 8-inch flexible smartphone. The display options listed include an 8-inch flexible OLED display with a bendable IPS AMOLED foldable 2K screen, designed for use with Raspberry Pi 4 and featuring a MIPI controller board at 60Hz. It supports backlight adjustment and image rotation of 180 degrees. Additionally, a 0.71-inch micro OLED suitable for AR glass, viewfinders, head-up displays, night vision equipment, and thermal imagers is available. Various other OLED displays of different sizes are also offered, such as a 5.5-inch OLED AMOLED with on-cell touch support for devices like TV boxes, Raspberry Pi 4, cameras, and game consoles. These displays vary in resolutions, functionalities, and prices. The 8-inch OLED display specifications include a resolution of 2480 by 1860, MIPI interface, RM69380 driver IC, and flexibility with bendable and foldable properties. It is offered by Wisecoco, a brand from mainland China, and is compatible with various brands as a universal product.